in this video. Hello everybody, and welcome to the 73rd video on my channel, which is another advanced trigonometry and advanced geometry video dealing with another theorem. So that's all I have to say. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button for more awesome videos just like this. And please make sure to comment your suggestions, and of course the comment section down below. And without further ado, let's move on to the lesson. Today's theorem is about Thales' theorem, which is a specialized variation of another theorem which we'll cover very soon. And another thing about this theorem is we're going to prove it two different ways. Now, Thales' theorem says if you inscribe a triangle within a semicircle with one side on the diameter, the angle across from the side is a right angle. What this means is, first we're inscribing a triangle within a semicircle, and then we have to make sure one side is on the diameter. The angle, which is across from the diameter, is a right angle or 90 degrees. So let's move on to actually proving this. So in today's proof, we're going to start by labeling all the sides A, B, C. Then we're going to define the center of the diameter as O and draw three lines, O to A, O to C, and O to B. Now, this creates two isosceles triangles. Triangles AOB and triangle OBC. Now, these two triangles are each isosceles triangles, as I mentioned earlier, so they have two angles that are the exact same, with those angles being angle OAB and angle ABO, and the other one being angle OBC and angle CBO. Now we're going to label the first two angles angle alpha and the second two angles angle beta. Now, when we label those two, what we're going to do is then add up all the angles in the triangle. So we have alpha plus beta plus alpha plus beta as the bigger angle. Now, I'm doing that for triangle ABC. And as you know, the sum of all the angles inside a triangle is 180 degrees. So, what we have here is if we have 2 times alpha plus beta, after simplifying it, is equal to 180 degrees. This means alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degrees. And alpha plus beta is angle ABC. So, angle ABC is equal to 90 degrees, and that's the theorem proved. The next way to prove this theorem is slightly different and doesn't require us defining all the sides. This way of the theorem just requires knowing that Thales' theorem is a special thing of an inscribed angle. Specifically, the theorem meaning an inscribed angle is half of its subintending arc. What I mean by that is the smaller arc in the triangle is double the angle measure of the angle that we're inscribing. Now, the arc that is right around ABC, angle ABC, is 180 degrees, as it's a full semicircle. So, if you divide that by 2 to get the angle measures, you get angle ABC is equal to 90 degrees. So, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one, and bye-bye.